Are you making these mistakes when it comes to manifesting wealth and abundance? Do you believe that positive thinking can bring about abundance? Manifesting wealth and abundance does begin from within, and you do have to appreciate what you have in your life already, your family, your friends, and your job. Are you one of those people who are constantly focusing on what you wish you had? If so, you're not going to want to miss today's video. Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, Law of Attraction hypnotist and #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction. And I'm here to help you tap into the power of your mind, align yourself with the manifesting conditions, and successfully attract your dreams, your goals, and a life you love. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to be notified about any new videos. So today I'm going to go over some of the most common mistakes people make when it comes to manifesting wealth and abundance. The first mistake is obsessing. A lot of times people waste so much of their precious time thinking about and obsessing about what they don't have. They start to believe that their life is only going to improve when they have more money, more things, more gadgets, more people, more love, whatever it may be. They start to think about what's lacking in their life instead of the abundance that's already overflowing in their life. Another mistake is focusing on lack. Focusing on lack brings more lack. Write that in the comments. Focusing on lack brings more lack. Focusing on abundance with positive thinking brings more abundance. So write that in the comments. Focusing on abundance brings about more abundance. Now, if you appreciate what you already have, then you are going to be inspired to take the necessary actions to bring more of what you want into your life. And from a practical standpoint, this all really starts from living happily with what you have right now. Now, at first that may sound counterproductive, but living happily with what you already have doesn't mean you're going to stay completely satisfied and fulfilled for the rest of your life with those things. It simply means that you appreciate all the good parts of your life right now, and you recognize that you can take the things that you have, even if they are a few, and you can begin to build upon those things. So often we just take our lives for granted, forget all the good things that we have, forget to give thanks for everything that's good in our life. So if you're having a hard time really recognizing the goodness that you already have in your life, then it's time for you to take a moment and make a gratitude list and continue to add to that gratitude list every day. And here's an example of a few things that you could potentially put on that list. Be thankful whenever you pay the bills, whatever you pay the rent, whatever you pay the mortgage, because what that means is you have nice things that you're paying for. You have a nice place to sleep. Be thankful for the winter coat that you have, because that's going to keep you warm this winter. Be thankful for your family and for the love and the support that they give to you. Be thankful for the job that you have. Even if you don't like that job right now, just be thankful for it, because it's helping you to provide for yourself and for your family. So if you can be happy with what you have right now, you are going to have that much more of a deeper appreciation for when your circumstances improve. Just imagine how much more you're going to appreciate moving into that beautiful, spacious property if you can begin to appreciate the current humble place that you're in right now. So write in the comments, what is something that you can be so thankful for right now? Now, another mistake that people make is keeping up with their neighbors. Remember, the term wealth doesn't necessarily mean money. You can be wealthy by having a loving family and friends who care about you. There is so much more to life than the latest designer purse or those fancy sports cars. So here's another mistake, is comparing and judging. If you're constantly comparing yourself to your neighbor next door based on their material possessions, you need to realize that you may not fully understand what your neighbor's life is really like. He may seem wealthy with his fancy BMW, but he could be suffering from health problems or personal problems. So be very careful when making assessments and judgments about other people, because you never really know what's going on for them. Material possessions alone do not make an abundant life, all right? Say that in the comments. Material possessions alone do not make for an abundant life. And here's another thing I'd like you to write in the comments. What does wealth actually mean to you? What does wealth actually mean to you? So here are some steps that will help you to move forward in the area of wealth. And another mistake. One of the mistakes that you might be making is spending more money than you make. When you don't have a lot of material possessions and monetary wealth, it ironically becomes easier for you to learn how to save money. Saving money is super important if you want to build monetary financial wealth. So in order to do that, you have to learn how to put off and delay some gratification. That means that you need to be making more money than you're spending. Ideally, what this means is you want to pay for everything that you buy, not finance it. Without truly owning your possessions, all you're doing is going into debt. And the more you go into debt, the more you're actually moving further away from wealth. Saving money is actually one of the best ways to build wealth. Of course, another one of the best ways to create wealth is to earn more money. Now, this may seem totally obvious to you, but too many people aren't making as much money as they could or would like to. In most cases, the only surefire way you're ever going to get ahead and earn more is when you make a conscious decision to get unstuck from having to work a job that you hate and where you're not even in control of your income. So that's another mistake that people make, is staying stuck. You have to rise above. You have to do something different. That may mean that you have to discover more creative ways for you to earn a living, to make more money. For many people today, that may mean creating an online business. Whatever the case may be for you, you can learn to elevate yourself. Now, if you want to get into the mindset that's going to help you to step into a new career path that's going to lead to more wealth, more abundance, then I highly encourage you to download my free HypnoCloud app. And that's going to help you with creating an attitude of abundance. It's one of my clients' favorite tracks on there. And it's going to help you in so many other ways with over 500 different hypnosis sessions to choose from. You're going to be able to create a list of favorites that you can work on. So be sure to click the link in this video and download my free app today. If you're unhappy making the money that you're making, you have to start thinking about ways to increase the amount of money that you make so that you can realize your dreams. Now, if you like this video, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come out with new videos, and share this video with your friends. So one more comment I'd like you to leave is, what is one way that you can think of that you can increase the amount of money that you make? And now it's time for you to go get started on that. And be sure to download my HypnoCloud app for some amazing law of attraction and manifesting hypnosis sessions. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.